Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, everyone. So, we are the group number four, and today we are going to present our game. So, we only have two in our group. I am Mark Alan Hortilano.
And I'm Perez Leo Angelo.
So, our title will be Jeepney Dash. So, Jeepney Dash is a uh, obstacle game, no? That is main function is to collect coins, earn points, and unlock harder levels. And about our game, Jeepney Dash is a 2D runner game inspired by the streets of the Philippines. The player controls a jeepney that continuously moves along the road, and our main goal is to survive as long as possible, avoid obstacle, and collect points along the way. And what is the main objective of our game? It is to navigate the jeepney through an unchanging road, maintaining control under increasing speed while gathering coins to boost progress and score. They will experience some sudden hazard, difficulty, and other obstacle. So they must remain control to the jeepney. And for our levels, we only have three levels. We have the level 1, which is the easy, level 2 for the medium, and level 3 for the hard. For easy, slow jeepney speed, and few obstacles on the road, and coins placed on the ground. And for the medium, our features will be um, moderate na yung speed of moderate speed of a jeepney, and more obstacle, and coin placed higher requiring to jump. And for the hard, uh, level 3, we have a fast jeepney speed, frequent obstacle, and coins placed near obstacle, and less time to react. So, paano nga ba laruin yung jeepney dash? It's just a simply left and right and space for a jump. So, the jeepney is automatically moves forward. So, all you need is a left and right and also space for the jump. So, this is a basic images of our game. So let's go to the sample 20% of our project. So as you can see on Godot, we created a different asset, no, a scene, and also the script for the game. So on our player, we create a sprite 2D. Will be our main character together with collision shape, and it's a character body 2D. And aside from the player, we created a map, a simple map for the jeepney that is inspired to the street of the Philippines. And later on, we will add some more background road, that also inspired with the Philippines roads. So aside from that, we created a main menu. So we have start game, settings, and also exit. And for our game, nandito po lahat yung our main game. So when we try to run our project, so as you can see, we have start game button, settings button, and exit button. So when we try to use the start game. So this will be our simple game. It moves left and right, and and the jeepney is automatically moved. So let's try to run again the project. As you can see, it moves automatically forward. And when you move left or right, move left, no? Gumagalaw po siya. And when you click space, it will jump. So basically, ito pa lang po yung nagagawa namin for our game development project. Pero ano ba yung mga plano namin for our game? So kagaya po ng nasa levels of our game, meron po kami 3 level which will be the easy, medium, and hard. So for our easy game, meron po kaming mga ilalagay dyan ng mga obstacle, no? Like for example is yung baha, no? So alam naman natin when it comes to the Philippines, no, bahain talaga sa Pilipinas, and it cause slippery, no, sa atin pong mga jeepney. And also manhole, no, yung mga lubak sa atin sa Pilipinas. So maglalagay din pa kami ng obstacle na yon. And at the same time, barrier. Barrier kung saan pwedeng tumalon yung jeep in order to survive dun sa ating obstacle. And also, we will place coin in every road for to be able to gain a points kung saan mag-unlock ng another level. So for our medium, no, gagawin po natin is we will place a more obstacle, and then ipe-place natin yung coins doon sa mga risk po na potential na obstacle. So aside from doon, for our hard level, siguro ang maging hard level po namin will be the unchanging road, no? Another feature siguro na kung saan meron ng liko. That will be our
Nakakat yung ano,
feature.
yung road mo, Len.
Ha?
Nakakat.
Nakakat?
Yan, may wire sa gitna.
Ayusin ko pa yan.
Ay,
Yung sa simple wire. So, yun siguro, ang pwede kong gawin, pwede nating baguhin yung lagyan natin ng parang ano, no? Pasang racing mode na liliko, hindi lang siya puro straight. No, tingin mo.
liko na...
Yung road niya, paliko, hindi lang siya straight.
Kumbaga may curve siya.
May curve.
Magiging 2 lane, ganun.
3 lane pa rin siya, pero may curve.
Oh.
Kumbaga, yun yung another level, difficulty level niya. Diba, sa unang game, straight lang sa level 1. Pagdating ng level 2 is, yun na, meron na siyang liko. No? Yung mga narrow na daan. Diba? And then, pagdating naman sa third level, narrow na, tapos ano pa yung obstacle niya is parang ano siya, almost impossible na siyang makakuha ng coins. Parang ganun. Kaya ano bang pwede mong maging suggestion para sa ating game?
Di ba may jump yan?
Meron jump.
Maglalagay tayo ng mga barricade na pwedeng i-jump ng jeep.
Ayun nga, magkalagay tayo ng mga barricade na jump. Aside from doon.
Bigyan natin power-ups. Ganun.
Power-ups.
Magnet, speed, power-ups. Para meron siyang, kumbaga meron siya, yung, meron siyang fastest way na mapabilis yung laro niya. Paglalaro.
Oh. So, ano kaya yung pwede nating gamitin na power-ups na inspired sa Philippines? No? So,
Magnet lang, tsaka yung nitro, siguro. Yung speed up lang.
Nitro. Okay, pwede naman. Uh, Aside from doon, sa mapa natin, ano ba ang pwede mong isuggest na pwede nating maging lugar? Kasi dito, yung itong mga kuryente, no, itong mga daanan na to is inspired to by Philippine Road. Pwede rin siguro nating lagyan ng no, yung mga city road, no?
O, lagay tayo ng yung, di ba, may paliko na tayo ng curve. Lagay tayo ng ibang way ng daanan papunta sa finish line. May finish line ba yan?
Okay. Ha?
Lalagyan ba ng finish line yan? O unlimited road lang? Ay,
Lalagyan
ba?
natin lalagyan natin siya ng finish line, syempre. Kasi, doon siya makakapag-unlock ng another level once na na-accomplish niya yun.
Okay.
O ganito na lang. Instead na yung coins is mag-unlock ng another level, yung coins is to unlock the another features, yung power-ups.
Okay. Yun na lang yung paano naman mahanap
Oo.
yung level?
Once after mo ma-finish tong
line. Okay.
kumbaga gagawa ka ulit ng panibagong another level kung saan.
Starting ulit. Sige.
So, aside from doon, siguro lagyan din natin to ng background music, no?
Siguro kuha tayo sa YouTube ng pwede naman siguro yun, no? Yung street ng music para talagang inspired siya sa jeep na mga nagdadaanan.
So kung makikita mo sa screen, 'di ba, meron dito ng parang container, 'di ba? Ito parang
ayun nga, yung Gina Jump and Barcade ba yan?
Yung barricade, 'di ba?
Mga boxes.
And dito naman sa natin, main menu. Ano yung pwede mong i-suggest na pwede nating features na idagdag?
Save and load? Maglalagay ba tayo?
Save and load.
Or na lang? Score. Ay, leaderboard.
Kapag maglalagay tayo ng leaderboard,
ay, hindi siya pala, no?
Kung maglalagay tayo ng
hindi,
maglalagay tayo.
Kumbaga, di ba may coin tayo sa doon tayo magbabase sa coin. Di ba, level 1. Ang nakuha niya lang coin is 50. Ang maximum na coin na nandun is 75. Doon na lang tayo magbabase na leaderboard. Halimbawa, easy. 50 lang nakuha niya, tapos meron pa nataas. Sa easy level lang yun.
O di kaya bago mag-start yung game, magka-type siya ng pangalan niya.
Tapos, yung
Oo. Tapos yun yung lalabas sa leaderboards.
Okay.
Kung parang pagka-start ng game, mag-input siya ng pangalan niya, siya yung magta-try ng game. Then after that,
natin sa leaderboard yung niya. Yung
lalabas sa leaderboard. Oo.
Yes.
Oo. Ganon. So every time na na mag-i-start ng game, diba? Pwede rin siguro yung load and save, no?
Oo, kasi parang mas yun sa laro natin eh.
Sige. For the future